Okay, so for this video, we will be looking at if it's a low or a high candle, or sideways, sorry, an up, down, or sideways candle. But more importantly than that, we're going to be marking the high points and the low points. So, as in, it's kind of the end of the up move and the end of the down move. I'll give you one little example, and then you can try and work out the whole chart. So, as we can see, the price comes down here, then down, then down, then up. So therefore, this was the low of this down move, and it's this candle is the very start of the up move. So that point there, I'll just draw a little circle on it. Where's my little circle tool? That was a low. So if you can just work out where the lows and the highs are throughout this whole chart, then that would be absolutely fantastic. Pause the video now and see if you can work out where the highs and the lows of each movement are, and then I'll tell you where, I'll go through the answers. So pause it now. Okay, so now we'll have a look at where the highs and the lows are. So the way we work that out is going through each candle still. So if it's down, then up, then down, then up, then every time the direction of the candles change, we mark that as a high or a low. So this first one is actually, we'll call it a sideways candle. The highs are extremely close. I think they are actually the same. So sideways candle, the next one's an up candle, but then the next candle is a down candle. So that is actually a high there. Then the next one goes, so that was down, then the next one is sideways, then down, then down, then down, then up. So because we've got an up, we now know that that was the lowest point of the downward movement. Now it's moving up, so it went, so it's a live market at the moment, so my chart automatically zips to the current candle. Every time the new candle forms, then my chart will automatically zip to it. So yeah, that won't happen in front of 15 minutes now. Okay, so from this low here, it was up, up, that's up, that's a higher low, so that's an up candle, then sideways, then up, then down. So that one there was a high, that was a high, then it went down, then up, so that was a low, then so that was up, then sideways, sideways down, so this was the high, and then it was down, 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 up, so that was the low. That was the first one I marked early on. So then it was up, 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 down. So this down candle signifies the start of, or the end of the uptrend, which was, my tools aren't working, there we go. So that was the high, then it went down, sideways, up, so that was the low, then it was up, sideways, up, down, so that was the high, then it was down, sideways, sideways, up, so the first up candle signifies the end of the down, so that was the low, then it's, so it was sideways, up, down, so that's the end of that little up move, and then it was down, 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 up, so up signified the end of the down move. That's it. So hopefully you got those answers. Oh, I think the chart was actually there to start with, wasn't it? Oh, so we've got a little bit more to do. So it was up, sideways down. So that was the end of the up. Then it was so sideways, down, 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 sideways. So until we have an up candle, we don't know that this was the bottom. That might keep going down. That's it. Hopefully you got those answers.